Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up your HP 255 without a Microsoft account. So let's skip the introduction steps of the setup by quickly selecting the country or region, clicking yes, then select any keyboard input that consists Latin letters and click yes once again, then click skip. And then on the following page, would have to connect to the Wi-Fi network, except for this case. So do not connect your computer to the Wi-Fi network, and do not connect an Ethernet cable to your laptop. If you have connected an Ethernet cable to your laptop, just disconnect it. If you have already connected to the Wi-Fi network, you can either turn off the router to which you connected, or you can also just leave the area and reach the place where your Wi-Fi signal is unreachable. And once you do that, you're gonna have to press the combination of Shift and F10 keys. So left Shift and F10 simultaneously will open the terminal on your screen, and in this terminal we're gonna have to enter the following command. So first of all, you're gonna have to press Alt tab to switch to your terminal, and then enter oobe /bypassnro, and then press enter. Then wait until your laptop is restarted. Once your laptop is restarted, select your actual country or region, click yes, then select the keyboard input you want to use and click yes. Then if you want to add an additional one, you can click add layout and add another layout to your keyboard, or do it later in settings and click skip for now. And then instead of connecting to a Wi-Fi network, we'll be able to click I don't have internet option, which will be displayed next to the next icon. And after clicking I don't have internet, you're gonna have to enter your username, so you can name yourself user, then click next, and then if you want to, you can create a password for your account. If you don't, just click next. Okay, then select some privacy settings for your account. So we have location, find my device feature, then we have diagnostic data that sends your data to Microsoft for research, inking and typing that does the same thing with your keyboard usage, and personalized offers, which is personalized ads. So if you want to have unchecked all the toggles that you don't like, you can click accept and move further. Now, right now we just have to wait until the setup is finished. And that's it. The Windows is fully set up, and now you can connect to the Wi-Fi by clicking the three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen and selecting the Wi-Fi to connect. You can also just connect an Ethernet cable to your laptop. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.